The United States General Consul meets with Prime Minister Ayman. Expansion of pre-clearance discussed. Plus, in today's lifestyle segment, talking cars will be on the road sooner than we think. And ATA's latest marketing campaign incorporates professional athletes and celebrities. 15 on 15 starts right now. The General Consul of the United States paid a second visit to Aruba. He met with various ministers and delegates from Aruba's government. Prime Minister Ayman had an extensive meeting with the General Consul, where the topic of pre-clearance was largely discussed. Aruba's strong relationship with the United States can be defined with the success of the pre-clearance.
Pre-clearance is one of the beautiful examples of a very special service that Aruba has, and that is very rare in the world, based on the strong cooperation between Aruba and the United States. We also spoke about the FOL, which is an important organization and tax treaties that we have with the United States, which we are now also expanding in a very important way.
Currently, Aruba is working with the United States Department of Homeland Security to expand the pre-clearance. In order to make the island more appealing to the affluent market in the United States, the government is looking to implement a U.S. pre-clearance at Aruba's private terminal. This would make it much more convenient for private planes to travel to the island, which would ultimately welcome a more luxurious travel market.
That is a project of creating the pre-clearance facility, also for the private airplanes that fly in the future from Aruba to the United States. That would make Aruba a very interesting place also for all the private airplanes that fly from the region to the United States, that would come to Aruba to get inspected by customs and immigration of the United States present in Aruba.
Having a U.S. pre-clearance in Aruba makes it very convenient for thousands of American travelers every year. The General Consul says an expansion is possible and would only add to the already consistent partnership the states has with the island.
We are pleased that you are hosting today a pre-clearance facility at the Dana Beaches International Airport in Aruba.
And hopefully expand.
And hopefully expanding. And the existing facility facilitates a large number of these visitors who are traveling between the United States and Aruba. And as we certainly are hopeful about this post-expansion.
The United States and Aruba also works together on different levels to benefit both sides. The General Consul acknowledges the fact that Americans simply love coming to Aruba.
The partnership that we enjoy today with Aruba encompasses many areas. We appreciate Mr. Prime Minister
Cars that talk to the driver and to each other. The United States federal government wants them on the road soon. This is called vehicle-to-vehicle technology. The cars send wireless messages to each other within a 300-yard radius. They communicate information like speed, direction, and GPS position 10 times per second. When the cars exchange info, they can account for the vehicles around it. It can identify possible crashes, giving drivers enough time to react. It is speculated that these talking cars can prevent up to 80% of crashes involving sober drivers. There is great news for those who have taken one of those extra long hiatuses from exercising. A new study aimed to find out whether it is ever too late in life to begin exercising and reaping the benefits. The study found those who started out and remained active fared the best, meaning they had the lowest incidence of major chronic disease, memory loss, and physical disability. Surprisingly, though, those who started out but then take a break and became active again fared almost as well by the end of the study, meaning they essentially caught up with their counterparts who consistently work out.
Si pali coco, dame un coco pa' mi, quita mi sed. Quita mi sed.
Aruba! Welcome to Aruba!
Shake it up in the house. Shake it. I'm making drinks in Aruba.
Favorite thing to do in Aruba is definitely beach tennis.
I'm gonna be in Aruba, hanging out under this tree.
I'm gonna name this the Aruba Woo Woo. Yeah, there you go. I love Aruba. It's a place full of the stars like myself.
One, two.
I'd be laid out on the beach, enjoying the breeze and a nice cocktail.
True Aruba experience like that to do the Conching Cosmo.
I'm ready for Aruba.
It's a spectacular drink. I'm sitting on the beach in Aruba.
What would be my dream trip? Going to Aruba.
Dream trip to Aruba.
When do we go?
Can we go now?
Drink up.
I'm gonna take this drink, Aruba. Aruba on the rocks. Beautiful place to relax.
There you go, dude. Aruba.
Oh, hot damn!
This is the K Cooler Sack Master right here.
Cheers to Aruba.
Enjoy.
And the coolest cocktail I've ever seen made.
I love Aruba, so excited to visit.